How to fix not able to create a WhatsApp channel. Hello guys and welcome to our channel. Welcome to World of Apps. So in this video I'll show you the steps on how you can fix this problem, and you will see that after these steps you will have that option, and you can create your WhatsApp channel. So if you go to your WhatsApp app, you will see here at the top a option which is updates. You have to go there. It's next to chats, and if you click to this plus icon, you will see that you will only have a option find channels, and that unfortunately we will have to fix. We have to have the option create channel. So let's try to fix this problem. First of all, and the most important step, it's a very easy one, but you have to follow it, is going to your Google Play Store, App Store, and search for WhatsApp. Click on the app, and as you can see here, I have the option to update the app. So click on that if you also have this option, and if not, you can skip this step. And now click on the open option. After that, we will have to go to our phone's settings. So this is the next step. Scroll down and then go to apps. Scroll down and search for WhatsApp. You can search it by clicking on this search icon from the right top corner. Click on the app and then scroll down, go to storage, and then you have to clear the data and the cache from the bottom of the screen, and if you have an iPhone, you will have to offload the app. After that, we have to go back to our WhatsApp app. Make sure to restart your phone, and then when you open your WhatsApp app, you will have to follow these steps right here, which are on Help Center of WhatsApp. You will have to open WhatsApp on your phone and go to the Update tab, then click on the plus icon and select New Channel. Tap on Get Started, and then you will have to add a channel name to finish creating your channel. You can customize your channel, and you can also add a channel description, a channel icon, and then tap create channel, and you're done. So guys, I hope this video was useful for you. If it was, you can like this video, you can subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell, because I will post more content like this very soon. Thank you so much for watching guys. Have a great day. Bye bye.